Indian agriculture spans massive geographical extremes, stretching out from the flat plains of Bihar to the rugged, high-altitude mountain terraces. In these environments, labor is scarce, and the terrain is often too steep for tractors or heavy ground machinery to operate. Microscopic crop diseases are the silent enemy, capable of wiping out a season's yield before the human eye spots them. Historically, precision monitoring technology was expensive and localized in Western markets, leaving India's small-scale rural farmers without a defense against these invisible threats. When every plant must be inspected by hand across thousands of inaccessible acres, traditional manual labor cannot secure the regional food supply. To bridge this gap, Ojas Aerospace places the Meghdev drone station, a solar-powered, Starlink-connected aerospace facility, directly in the heart of rural villages. Local women are moving from traditional, labor-intensive fieldwork into these advanced tech facilities to take command of their local agricultural economy. Through the Hilly program, these women are trained and certified as drone pilots and digital agronomists, capable of managing sophisticated aerial operations. Providing this aerospace infrastructure to local women shifts the community from reactive physical labor to proactive technological control over their harvests. This is the VAI-GO agricultural drone. It is built with a 70-liter payload capacity to handle commercial-scale spraying in a single flight. High-altitude operations require specific technical protocols, such as keeping lithium batteries in insulated heating bags to prevent power drops in freezing temperatures. On 60-degree slopes, standard GPS signals often struggle to provide the accuracy needed to fly safely near the ground. The system uses an RTK base station to lock the drone into centimeter-level accuracy, allowing it to maintain a steady flight path just 2 meters above the crop canopy. In remote valleys with no cellular service, the VAI-GO executes complex, pre-planned flight routes entirely offline using its onboard autonomous flight controller. This makes the VAI-GO a specialized aerospace platform capable of operating in India's most difficult topographies. As the drone flies, its sensors capture hyperspectral imagery that feeds into the VFN AI pipeline to create a digital record of the farm. The software organizes the field into tiles. These 1 square meter units serve as the basic map for planning and managing farm interventions. Within each tile are cubes. At 1 square centimeter, these allow the system to track the health and water levels of individual plants. At the pixel level, the AI can identify microscopic spectral signatures of disease on a single leaf before it is visible to the human eye. An EfficientNet B4 model analyzes these millions of data points in under 3 seconds, identifying over 120 specific diseases with more than 92% accuracy. By turning invisible biological threats into accurate digital maps, the system provides farmers with a specific, data-backed advantage against total crop failure. The Hilly reviews the severity heat map on her tablet, using the VFN interface to identify exactly where the infection is concentrated. She programs the VAI-GO drone to spray only the infected tiles, leaving the surrounding healthy crops completely untouched. This precision reduces chemical waste and lowers the farmer's costs while protecting the overall harvest. This workflow replaces traditional blanket chemical applications with localized, data-driven treatments that address only the confirmed threats. This data is saved for the future. Every flight is synced to the cloud, building an immutable blockchain record of the land's health. This creates the agri-twin, a digital twin of the village ecosystem that learns from historical data and predicts future climate and disease patterns. The Meghdev drone station grows into a local center for rural commerce, managing logistics and helping farmers enroll in government support schemes. For the Hilly, this is a career shift into aerospace management, leading her community as a self-employed technology expert. This layer of global agricultural intelligence is maturing in the skies over rural India, managed by the women who know the soil best.